How to create chart from pivot table in Google Sheet. Select a pivot table, click on the first cell and drag with the mouse to select the entire pivot table. Then go to the Insert tab and click on the chart. And here you can see your pie chart is inserted with the chart editor right hand side. Just drag with the corner point and you can decrease the size of pie chart and you can move anywhere and set your chart. In chart editor, there are two tabs, setups and customize. In setup tab, you can change the chart type. Just click on this drop down arrow and you can select here the different chart type. So here I select the bar chart and you can see your chart is changed. Okay. In customize tab, you can change the chart style, chart and exercise title, series, legend, horizontal exercise, vertical exercise, grid lines, ticks. Okay. So I just double click on the chart title. Okay. To edit this chart title, simply double click on it. And here you can see the chart and access title is open. Okay. Edit here the title text. Then you can change the title font, titles font size. So I select the size. Then you can select the different text color. And that's it. In vertical exercise, simply double click on the vertical exercise, the product name. I just double click on it and here the vertical exercise is open. Same as you can change here the different font style, font size, and you can select the different text color also. So here I select this one. See the changes over here. In horizontal exercise, simply double click on the horizontal exercise cells amount. And here the horizontal exercise is open in customize tab. And you can change here the font size of font, then text color. So here I select this one. You can use the bold letter also. See the changes over here. Now, to remove this horizontal exercise title, simply double click on it and press the delete key of keyboard. Same as vertical exercise title, simply click on it and press the delete key of the keyboard to delete your horizontal and vertical title. Okay. When you click on your chart, you can see the right hand side, the three dot is indicate. Just click on it. And if you want to edit, just click on the edit chart and here the chart editor is open. Again, click on the three dot if you want to delete your chart and you can download your chart in PNG. So here select the first PNG image and here you can see your chart is downloaded in PNG image. Okay, I simply double click on it to open it. And here you see your chart is downloaded in PNG image. Again, I click on the three dot. You can publish your chart. If you want to copy, you can easily copy your chart. Move to own sheet and alt text. So hope you understood. If you like this, please subscribe. Thank you so much.